Tropical fruit and clay masks, Mother Nature's gift for your skin. What you will need: a dark towel, an old t-shirt, a headband and a small container made of glass, porcelain or wood. Tip: a metal container will deactivate any clay mask. Mix 1 tablespoon of mask powder with 1 teaspoon of water. Form a soft paste and apply it to clean skin. Apply the mask with your fingers or a brush. Let it dry for 10 minutes. If you have sensitive skin or are using it for the first time, rinse before the mask is fully dry. Moisten your skin with clean warm water. Lightly massage while rinsing off the mask. Rinse well with warm water. Gently pat your skin dry, leaving a hint of moisture behind. Tip: a gentle veil of dampness lets your oil or serum lock in this moisture. After rinsing, achieve perfect skin balance with our Amazonian Glow Face Oil. Feel the difference with each step and embrace your skin's natural beauty. Amazonian Glow Oil and our tropical clay masks. The perfect combination offers a detoxifying and nourishing experience for radiant and youthful skin. Discover the pure goodness of our products with our special introductory offer and enjoy free shipping. Why wait to experience nature's best?